How to trade fractional shares with FXCM. Hey traders, welcome back to the FXCM YouTube channel. Today we're diving into something that's opened the doors to stock trading for everyone, fractional shares. If you've ever wanted to trade top stocks like Apple, Tesla, or Amazon without needing hundreds of dollars, FXCM has made it possible. Let me show you how. What are fractional shares? As you can see on the screen, fractional shares allow you to buy a portion of a full stock, instead of paying the full price per share. For example, if Tesla is trading at $800 and you only have $80, you can still own 0.1 shares. This means you can trade high-value stocks with just a small amount of capital. Why trade fractional shares on FXCM? FXCM lets you trade fractional shares through share CFDs, contracts for difference. You're not owning the physical stock. You're speculating on price movements, both up or down, and you only need a fraction of the full cost to enter a position. This offers multiple benefits. Access to global companies like Meta, Google, and Netflix. Flexibility to size your trades based on your account. Diversification. Build a portfolio without needing big capital. How to trade step by step. Log into your FXCM trading station or the mobile app. Search for your desired stock CFD, e.g., TSLA, AAPL, AMZN. Set the trade size. You can enter as little as 0.1 or 0.05 units. Place your order. Just like any forex or index trade, use stop loss and take profit levels to manage risk. As you can see, it's simple, flexible, and beginner-friendly. Conclusion. With FXCM, trading fractional shares means you can participate in the world's biggest companies on your terms and within your budget. Whether you're diversifying or testing new strategies, fractional share CFDs make it possible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the FXCM YouTube channel for more smart trading tips every week.